Hi all, I am Roland and I am the extreme digital nomad. I write code always and everywhere. Welcome to episode 1 of the Augmented Software Engineering podcast. Please read the blog post that is in the description to understand what this is all about. In this episode, we want to talk about the setup that we want to use in the next couple of episodes to explore the capabilities of various LLMs when it comes to reading and writing code. Let's get started. To play around with the LLMs and to explore what they can do and how they can help us, we need a test environment, something to apply the LLMs to. I picked the 99 Scala problems by Phil Gold. They are derived from the 99 Prolog problems that Werner Hett developed a long time ago at the University of Applied Science in Bern, Switzerland. These days there are solutions available for all major programming languages that are out there. Solving the problems will allow you to develop an initial understanding for a given language, and I also use it to set up the tooling and the IDE for a given language. The problems come in various difficulties, from easy to hard, and you need to work with lists, graphs, trees, and other basic data structures and algorithms to solve them. I am a big proponent of functional programming and I like Haskell and Scala. I have written a lot of code in Scala 2, but not so much in Scala 3. A couple of months ago, I decided to refresh my Scala 3 skills by implementing the 99 Scala problems with Scala 3. I also wanted to refamiliarize myself with the tool ecosystem for Scala 3. You can take a look at the repo and try it for yourself. A link to the repo is in the description. The homework for this episode is to clone the repo and to make sure that you can run all tests. That should not take more than 5 mins. You can then take a look at the existing implementations and the tests that come with it. The implementations do not only solve the problem, but also implement a minimum amount of logging and post conditions on the parameters and are fully documented. When we start to use the LLMs, we want to make sure that the code that we end up with is of the same quality or better than the code that we write from hand. I also want to point out that as much as possible, the tests should not test single test cases, but properties. Means there is a lot the LLMs need to get right to really help us here. Challenge accepted. This is it for episode 1. Next time we will dive right into it and we'll try to solve one of the problems with GitHub Copilot. See you at episode 2 and do not forget to like and subscribe.